ka Dr. Vasanthi Vijaya Kumar, Vice Chancellor ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University, habakran ho SP News Agency mtakasi, kalethu balasdangi ki jingpule ha kani ka skul ba, pajamenta kilala ban sedang tangi ka jingpule ha ka humanities. Ki bawan ban apply ki kena ban yo puli ki long ki babuan ba, hendreya menta la tang sau phongot ha kaway ka department. Shillong Campus, lasdang tang South ki department, kata ke Khasi, English, Social Work bat ke Commerce. La pentebru baya ke office jong ke Shillong Campus, la ra na malki sa Shillong Engineering College, Hamaulai Polytechnic.
The response has been very good in both the campuses. Almost all the our strength is 40 for every class, first years, for all the departments, and we almost come to 35. Our faculty we have from recruited for all the departments. All the faculty are in place, they have joined. And one or two where we don't have enough, we have just recruiting. It's already started, sir. Already started, and tomorrow, today's restricted holiday, so tomorrow in Turan and here also in the Shillong Regional Campus we have started. We have moved from Malki to, because that was also temporary, so we did not have classrooms over there. So then we have got this space over here in the Shillong Polytechnic, and we have started classes here. We have equipped our classrooms with whatever facilities, smart classrooms, and with everything what a classroom would need, and also the faculty. So we have started classes from here. Students, we have hostels on campus which will be functional very soon, and students who are coming from Tura, from the town to Balalgre where the university is located, we have bus facilities. So there are different points where the buses will stop from the morning, and we make 2 trips for students and for the faculty. And they are completely air-conditioned buses. All our classrooms are air-conditioned with smart boards. So with all the latest technology, whatever is available. And this year we have started only humanities because our labs are not in place. But by next year we will be starting our science programs because we will be equipping our labs.